This little journaling scrapbook kit is so cool, and the kit comes with so much stuff. There is a grid paper book. You get an adhesive. There are 4 rolls of washi tape, and I love that everything is color coordinated for you. There is a stack of ephemera. These are washi tape stickers, regular stickers, some really cute things on here. There are quite a few sheets of small talk stickers with quotes and happy words. You also get cutouts and die cuts. There are some bookmarks. There are tags. There's a lot in this little kit, and this is a great activity. This would be great for a teen, great for a grandparent. It could be a great travel journal or a journal for a special event. There is vellum paper. There are some vellum cutouts. There are some tickets. There's little postcards. And then down here, there's even some full sheets of paper that you can use. But I love that everything is coordinating to, oh, and it comes with some twine. So this is a really good kit. This is excellent value.